Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel Upgrade Your Grade. Hopefully you all are fine. My name is Salma Roman and I'm lecturer of biology in base group of college. Our today's topic of discussion is water soluble vitamins. As you all know, in past week we had discussed three important water soluble vitamins: thiamine, riboflavin and niacin. Importance of these three vitamins in human body, impact of deficiency of these vitamins in human body, daily allowance or daily dosage of vitamins for normal activities, and their supplements. In this video, I will explain further three important water-soluble vitamins, and our fourth important water-soluble vitamin is known as B5 vitamin, and common name of this vitamin is pantothenic acid or pantothenate. Vitamin B5 is vital to live a healthy life, and this vitamin is present in almost all food sources. So it is important to assist almost 100 intermediate metabolic pathways. It is important to convert carbohydrates into glucose and side by side to produce ATP, as ATP is important fuel for all living cells. Similarly, pantothenic acid or vitamin B5 plays its important role in the synthesis or manufacturing of red blood cells. As we all know, red blood cells are carriers of oxygen molecules, and oxygen is important to keep alive all living cells. Similarly, pantothenic acid or vitamin B5 plays its critical role under stressful conditions, and it activates adrenal gland to produce stress regulatory hormones. There are two important stress regulatory hormones produced by adrenal gland, and these hormones are adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline hormone is important to increase cardiac output rate as well as it boosts energy supply. Similarly, cortisol is important to increase level of glucose in our bloodstream, as well as it enhances the activity of brain to uptake glucose and to perform its normal activity. Pantothenic acid is involved in the synthesis of important neurotransmitter. This important neurotransmitter is acetylcholine, and acetylcholine is important for parasympathetic nervous system. This neurotransmitter is important to induce contraction of smooth muscle fibers. It dilates blood vessels. It reduces heart muscles contraction. Similarly, it is important for the control of peristaltic movement in alimentary canal, and it also affects urinary bladder and over respiratory system. Similarly, it is involved in the synthesis of important sterols, important in the synthesis of coenzyme A, which is important for the synthesis of important fatty acids, and is important the synthesis of vitamin A and vitamin D. Dietary source of pantothenic acid is edible mushroom, broccoli, dried tomatoes, fish, eggs. It is also present in liver and is also present in duck meat, in different grains and in wheat. Pantothenic acid or vitamin B5 deficiency is not very common because it is present in almost all food sources, but if this deficiency is present in any human body, then this deficiency can cause diseases such as paresthesia. Paresthesia is known as burning or prickling sensation which is felt in hands, in arms, in legs and in foot region, and it is usually painless and it may induce numbness or itching. There are two types of paresthesia: temporary paresthesia, which is caused by pressure on nerves and poor blood circulation, while chronic or permanent paresthesia is caused by damaged nerves. Similarly, this deficiency can cause joint pains, muscle pains, insomnia or anemia. As we all know that water-soluble vitamins cannot be stored in our body, so daily allowance of vitamin B5 for male is 7 to 10 mg, 5 to 6 mg for females, 10 to 13 mg for pregnant or lactating females, while is 3 mg for children. Okay. Next important vitamin is vitamin B6 and is also known as pyridoxine. Pyridoxine was discovered in 1934 by Hungarian physician, and he used extractions of pyridoxine for the treatment or to cure skin disorders in rat. Pyridoxine plays its vital role in many metabolic reactions. It is involved in the conversion of food into energy, which we need to perform different functions. It is important for the metabolism of carbohydrates. It is involved to maintain level of glucose in our blood. It is important for the degradation or metabolism of fats. Similarly, it is also involved in the synthesis of blood protein called hemoglobin protein, as hemoglobin protein is important to carry oxygen throughout our body. Pyridoxine or vitamin B6 is important for liver. It is important to maintain healthy hairs and skin, and is important to maintain proper function of brain and nervous system. It is important to produce three important hormones: serotonin, norepinephrine, and melatonin. Serotonin is mood hormone, norepinephrine is a hormone which cope with stress, while melatonin is an important hormone which regulates internal clock and sleep system. Dietary source of vitamin B6 are banana, legume, beans, sunflower seeds, wheat seeds, dried apricot, salmon fish, etc. Diseases caused by vitamin B6 deficiency are skin problems. It includes dry, cracked lips. It can cause skull dermatitis. It can cause convulsion, which is brain associated disorder and uncontrolled muscular movement, specifically observed in children's. Recent research about breast cancer has proved that vitamin B6 deficiency can cause breast cancer in females. Deficiency of vitamin B6 can affect our heart, it can affect kidney. It is very important for the development of antibodies, and deficiency of vitamin B6 can reduce antibodies development. Similarly, deficiency of vitamin B6 can causes depression, anxiety, and anemia. As we all know that vitamin B6 is micronutrient, so it is required for everybody on daily basis. Daily allowance of vitamin B6 for males is 1.3 to 1.7 milligram, for females is 1 to 1.5 milligram, while for the children is 0.5 to 1 milligram. Next water soluble vitamin is vitamin B7. It is also known as biotin, and its common name is vitamin H. It was discovered in 1930 by Paul and is carbon dioxide into glucose. It is very important and essential cofactor for 5 biotin dependent carboxylase enzymes, and these enzymes are involved in gluconeogenesis. This vitamin B7 is very important for fatty acid synthesis. It is very important for amino acid catabolism and is very important for cell division. Vitamin B7 or biotin is very important for the growth. It is very important for the hair growth, for skin, and is important for the metabolism of leaf. Vitamin B7 is important for DNA synthesis as well. Dietary source of vitamin B7 or biotin are tomatoes, carrot, almond, onion, eggs, walnut, sweet potatoes, etc. As biotin is involved in DNA synthesis, it is involved in cell division, so is involved in growth. But deficiency of biotin or vitamin B7 can cause hair loss, it can cause brittle nails, it can cause skin problems, it can cause dermatitis. Because of deficiency of biotin, muscle pains or tingling in arms and legs are observed. It can cause depression and fatigue, and because of biotin deficiency, the normal activities or normal functions of the body will be reduced. Daily allowance of vitamin B7 or biotin for males is 25 to 30 milligram, 18 to 20 milligram or 22 milligram for females, 30 to 35 milligram for pregnant or lactating mothers, while for children is 10 to 12 milligram. That's all for now. Inshallah, in next video I will explain water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. In next video I will explain the functions or the importance of vitamins, deficiency of vitamins, diseases caused by the vitamins, and sources. Stay connected. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot for first 100 subscribers. Thanks a lot for your part in our journey. Your support means a lot to us. Stay happy, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.